check. I say check. You say one. Check one. Hi everyone. We're from Division 10 OSIS.
And in today's episode of Olicast 111, we'll be talking about a topic that you guys might be wondering about a lot: how to achieve your goals. With me, Fitan Namor Salvatore Jennifer Temage, as head of the 10th Division.
And I, Raishan India Ramdhani from Division 10. Hi guys. So, aku like nervous right now because this is my first time I take a video about this episode right now. Okay. So, today we have a guest star right now for this episode podcast Olicast 111. So, we have to call the guest star, right?
Of course.
So,
Well, let's say hi to our guest star, Ayudini. May you introduce yourself?
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Dini. My full name is quite long. Dini Asima Dewanti Juliana Manurung.
Wow.
But actually, you can call me Dini. But for both of you, you have to call me Auntie Dini.
Auntie.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right now, I was a division head of accounting and reporting division in IFG, Indonesia Financial Group. It's a state-owned enterprise, or you may call it BUMN, a holding for insurance and guarantee company.
Wow. I feel impressed about her name, your name, and this is like quite long, right? By the way.
Yeah, actually probably it is because I'm coming from like a Bataknis tribe.
Oh.
And usually Bataknis parent loves to give like a very long name for their kids. Yeah, including me.
Wow.
Including Vito actually.
Vito. I know Vito name, but it's very hard for Vito.
No, not really. It's not very hard for me. Okay, so outside your work life, we would like to know a little bit about your personal life. Is it okay?
Okay, so usually outside my work life, during weekend, I will do like sort of like a grocery stuff or like walking with my dogs. I have two dogs. The first one named Nugget and then the second one named Peanut. So usually I will do like some jogging with them or like do jogging with my family in GBK. Yeah, pretty much like other activity done by other people.
So you have two babies dogs. The name is Nugget and Peanuts.
Yes.
Wow, I love dogs, but my family doesn't allow me to. Yeah, for dog. I know.
That is a shame, although they are kind of cute, but I'm still kind of more of a cat person. Okay, thank you, Ajuni, for your personal life.
But I want to ask something. This is very unusual things. Okay, so I want to know about what is your talent right now, from high school until right now, because we want to know about it.
Talking about talent, probably I will say that my talent is like I love to organize something. So I
Wow.
like to like tidying up everything, and I love to calculate. So I love math and sort of yeah, actually only math. I don't like physics or
Wait.
biology.
What?
Or chemist. So yeah, pretty much I love math because I can I can sense the number. Yeah.
But actually, I hate math, but I love physics right now because I don't want counting. I hate counting because it's very confusing because the number is like very confusing in my head.
Weirdly, I kind of actually like both subjects, both math and physics. Although sometimes physics does really get my head go wee, like, why is there electricity? Why do we need to count electricity? Okay, thank you Rini, for your talent, but we would also like to know, how does your talent correspond to your life goal?
Okay, so talking about my goal, I would say that I'll try. My goal is like to maximize the talent that I have to bring value to everybody surround me, wherever I've been located or like position.
Well, I don't have any goals life. Not right now, but later at the future, at the future. Not right now because I was confused. Yeah, I don't know.
I wish you good luck, Raisha. I do also like to know, How does accounting help people's lives exactly?
Of course, accounting will help other people's life because everybody, especially for the company, they have to record every transaction in their company, and to ensure all the transaction being recorded properly, you have to understand the accounting. So pretty much I will help all the people in the company where I located to ensure that all the transaction in that company being recorded properly, accurate, and timely and complete.
But actually, I want to know, but you love counting, but do you feel like one day or like sometimes when you're counting, you like feel like very confused. Like sometimes, like right now, I'm very
Or very
confused.
bored,
Okay, I'm
something like
very
that.
bored like that.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially when I face a new accounting standard, and we need some uh lo- we need longer time to interpret the accounting standard to understand what is the main purpose of this standard and how to implement it in the daily not daily life in the current situation. So sometimes I will feel like I'm quite tired to understand the standard first, try to translate it into more common language so other people can understand it as well. So but sometimes in that situation, you just need to take a break first, have some rest, talking with your friend. That's why when we are working in the company, you need other people as well. So you discuss with them. You have spend 5 to 10 minutes, and then after that you can go back to try to understand, try to digest the accounting standard. Yeah.
Wow.
So the key is you need a friend.
Okay, Vito, can you help me to counting with this? Okay, can you help me?
What do you mean by hell?
No, I can't counting some. So, for accounting, do you feel like when you're like at the middle school or junior high school, do you feel like I don't like math, I don't like physics, I don't like like biology?
Or any subject in that matter?
Yeah, yeah, like that.
Going back to high school, actually, it's quite funny because during high school, the only thing that I love, so when I was in high school, usually on the third grade, there will be some specialization. So we call it science, social, sort of like that. And the only subject that I like from science is only math.
Oh.
I don't like physics. I don't like biology, chemist. Sorry, all
What?
the teachers.
But physics is same like math, right? Just like
Yeah,
adding like frequency, like another mass like that.
yeah, but somehow there is no chemistry between me and physics.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, so actually since I only love math, so it's hard for me go to the special to physics specialization. So we during that time I went to social, we call it IPS. And during that time actually what I want to uh, my personal, not personal goal, but what I would like to achieve is I want to become um sort of like a writer.
Writer.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you mean like J.K. Rowling?
Yeah,
or
like a
sort
J-
sort
like
of
Harry
sort of
Potter.
like that because I love to read, and I love to some um literature. So I think that probably one day I want to become a writer.
But upside down, you love counting.
Actually, when I talked with my parents at that time, I said to them that I want to become a writer, and they said,
Wow.
no, I think you cannot become a writer because seems your talent is not in that area. Your talent is more in with math. So that's why my parents say that probably it's better for you go to the accounting. So long story short, I went
Okay.
to Fakultas Ekonomi, economic faculty. I
Wow.
choose accounting as my subject, and here right now me.
Oh my god, I feel like
Yeah.
goosebumps because I don't like counting right now. Because like when I was in the middle school, I was like, I have a bad score at the math, and then my mom said like, okay, you have to move like English, like English, like another subject. So yeah, I am in Division 10 English. And I want to know about what was your successful achieve in your life?
Ah, what my successful story? Yeah,
Yeah.
I think when we are talking about successful story, there will be like lots of variants. So there is like big successful, or I mean it depends on how you interpret about what a story or what experience can be called success. But from my side, for example, like when I can interpret like a new accounting standard, try to implement it properly, and then being audited by by auditor, and they say that okay, your accounting entry is already correct. I think I can say that it's a successful story for me. Means that I can implement something that written in a standard into a reality life, or probably like helping you guys in here. I would say it's like sort of like another success story with me, because I can have like the opportunity to talk with you guys, talk with you all those guys in the YouTube, in the podcast. Yeah, I mean like hopefully you can learn something from this discussion, from this talk, and I think I can call it another success story for me as well.
I hope you keep on being successful in your way of life. And I hope you said you want to become a writer like a long time ago, right?
Yes.
I hope
Yes.
maybe one day you can become a writer of a book called Ajudini, How I Discovered Accounting and how you can make accounting, how you can become a good accountant.
Jeremy Pauline, right? Like Jeremy Pauline.
But Jeremy Pellin is more in math, like I mean like that math, not like the accounting math, right?
But he like counting, right?
Yeah, true. He does.
Yeah.
Probably I will start with comic first.
Oh, I love comics. I love comics.
Yeah.
I hate novels. So like, there's so many letters.
Hey, I like novels. They help you focus.
No,
Yes, they do.
I love like any image like that, and then the letter, and this make me be like, oh, I love this comics like that.
Yeah, I
But
hate
I hate novels.
Yeah.
I like both novels and comics.
I hate one. I hate one.
Okay, thank you, Judini. We would also like to know, like, what were the hardest challenges that you ever faced? How did you manage or overcome those challenges?
There is a time when I have lots of deadline, so I have like several boss. So several boss give me like some things to do, and like the deadline is quite tight. So at that situation, actually, I'm quite depressed.
Well, you must
But
back
yeah,
like yeah.
yeah. I mean, I think it's quite similar with you guys. Like you have lots of homework.
Homeworks, yes,
Yes.
homeworks, and then proker, and then so many things like that.
Yes,
Elima
right.
really does take up our time.
Ah, yes, Pelima. Sorry, teacher. Oh my god.
Yes,
We are
right.
very
And
sorry.
and all the deadline is in the same time. So I mean, at that time you will feel like oh so stressed. So
It's like a homework.
oh yeah. So at that situation what I try to do is like I try to draw a map.
Map?
So it's like if you want to go to the battle, you need a good plan, right?
Oh,
so,
okay, 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 okay.
I try to draw a map. So I will list down all the tasks that I have to complete.
Like mind
and
map like that.
Sort of like that, mind
Okay.
map. So I'll write down also the deadline as well, and who will be and which department or which division that I need to get their help to complete my task. And if the deadline is like in a similar schedule or a similar deadline, so I will try to like analyze which one can be postponed, so and which one cannot.
Oh my.
And based on that mind map, and then I'll try to like go talk. For example, like oh okay, this task I think I can negotiate with my boss that probably I will like move it to like a different time because uh, blah blah blah. So and then after that I will go to my boss, I explain to them, do like some negotiation, and then after he agree, and then I will move the deadline from the original one to the one that I propose. Pretty much sometimes you will feel a lot quite exhausted and like tired, but probably things that you need to remember is like at the end you need to complete everything right.
Yeah.
So in order to complete everything properly, you need a good plan. You need to like just think that you want to go to the war. You cannot go to the war without any preparation, right?
Yeah.
You without any plan, right? So
Yeah.
that's why you need to like draw your map, your mind map, try to like try to analyze everything. How what is your strategy? So at the end you can complete everything properly.
Yeah. Without any preparation for the war, we could like
Die.
yeah, like that. Yeah, same like when you do some exam and without any preparation, you have a bad score about it.
Exactly.
And how did you feel after you finished the war of tasks? Did you feel happy
Relax,
or
like
something?
happy, relax. I need to get my me time.
Yeah.
same.
Actually, I will. First thing first, I will feel very happy because at the end I can like complete all the tasks that has been have been allocated to me, and uh, actually things that make me happy not only like okay I complete everything, but things that make me happy is like I know for sure that after I complete all of those tasks, actually I learned something new.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah, it depends. I learned something new. I learned like for example like I learned about oh okay those that boss love to being approached like in this way, sort of like that.
So you like happy to being like people to being happy too right now?
Yes, for sure. But outside of that, things that make me happy is like I know for sure that I learned something new after I complete the task.
This is very heavy right now. I know, it's very heavy.
Let's enjoy the tea.
Oh yeah! Oh my god, I forgot, guys. Let us drink right now, okay? I forgot something.
What?
I forgot to put the sugar.
Here, use my sugar.
No, it's okay, it's okay. Just continue our session right now, okay?
Yeah.
But this is the last things ever. The last things. Let
Are
me
you sure
choose.
the last
Let
thing?
me choose. The question is. But this is very hard. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you were granted 3 wishes, granted to never fail, to be successful in whatever you choose, what will you choose? 3 wishes granted to never fail.
Wishes. Okay.
This is very hard.
Oh, tough question. Tough question. So probably I will ask for wisdom.
Wisdom.
Yeah. Because sometimes you need a wisdom to understand all the things around you, and then
Oh no.
I would
No,
say
I know this is very hard, Vito. Could you change the question?
Okay, so until Ajurini can figure out her 3 wishes, I think we would like to know some tips and tricks. Yeah, what tips and tricks that you consider would be useful for us, like in high school life and then on to
Junior,
the
yeah.
our junior to our senior high school to our faculty or university life
Yeah.
and all the way to where you are now.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, I will say you have to dream big.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not too big.
No,
Not too
no,
big.
you cannot limit yourself. Actually,
Okay.
you have to dream big, and then you have to make like sort of like a milestone.
Oh.
For example, like uh when I was a junior high school, I have like older sister,
Okay.
and I put them as my role model.
Okay.
So I try to do like some observation. What do they what do they do to achieve the things that they do right now? They do that time. So I try to put it in my milestone. So and try to do like some altar, and I'll try to like stick with that. So that's those milestone is like things that I'll try to like achieve in order to achieve a bigger goal, a bigger dream, like an end goal. So I think that that's probably like some tips and trick from me. So please dare yourself to dream big, and in order to achieve that dream, put like some milestone, so then by the time you complete all the milestone, you can achieve your dream.
Okay.
Ah, thank you. So it's like levels in the game,
Forget to dream big,
right?
everyone.
Yeah. Okay, 3 wishes.
Oh, the 3 wishes.
Probably beside wisdom, I will ask for happiness and health.
Oh.
Amen.
Why?
Yeah,
Very-
because in order to achieve your goal, you need a healthy body, healthy mind, and you need to feel always happy.
Oh yes.
And wisdom as well.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that-
We
that-
need to be happy to achieve our dream, but when we are not happy, yeah, we cannot achieve our dream big. Yeah, right now.
Feel like that we'll feel down. You feel like we don't want to do this anymore, and eventually we'll leave our dream, and we'll never achieve our dream.
Yeah. Our wishes dream like fell down because we didn't want to reach it with the happiness.
Fell down as a shooting star, that where we can wish for anything, and it'll grant you the wish, or fell down like into the cliff, into a bottomless pit where you will never see it again.
Yes.
Which one?
I will choose the last that.
Ah.
Okay. Okay, this is very awkward right now.
I know,
Okay,
this is very
this is
awkward.
this is for a closing, but we have a present for you.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Ta-da!
wow!
Could
Thank
you
you,
open
guys.
the present for other people can see it?
Okay, I will put my mic in here.
ASMR, guys. Oh my god.
Yes. Come on.
ASMR.
It's really sad.
Whoa! My god.
We bought you a T-shirt.
This is a t-shirt.
I think I recognize the T-shirt.
Okay.
What is it? What is it?
Yeah, because like a couple of days ago, or like days ago, somebody asked me which one do you like, and I choose this one. So thank you.
Oh my god. Yeah.
The one with peanut, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we.
Thank
Try
you.
check the
Thank
other
you so
one.
much.
Yeah,
There's another
there's
one.
another one. We
Oh,
have to.
Okay.
This is very childless, guys.
Oh,
To break some
you.
Lego. Everyone know it, Lego, right? But this is very
This is a
cheap one.
smaller version of Lego. It's cuter,
Yeah, it's cute. I have one.
and it's a puppy because we know you have. You know you have 2 dogs.
okay.
Yeah.
I will call it Chimit then.
Timid. But it's very like quiet long to do it because I ever do it. I do it for 3 weeks.
Oh.
Because I'm so lazy. I need to get back my mood. Aku mau ngelakuin ini atau enggak ya? Like that. So like, okay
So
dah.
it's like the big dream, like Ajudini said, right?
Yeah, yeah, like that. So
Mm.
it's like a cute, right? I choose it.
Thank you.
Yes.
So cute. Kawaii, guys. Kawaii.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So for our closing session, We want to ask something.
What? What?
Ask something. Apa ya? Okay. Do you ever feel like your family doesn't like kayak
Support?
support for your achieved dream, like the one your achieved dreams, the one
The one?
your achieved dreams.
I mean like
Kita kayaknya explain it.
maksudnya tuh kayak yang sekarang yang mau nyampe sekarang ini gitu kan?
Ada salah satu dukungan keluarga yang enggak.
Yeah, like your family does not support you in getting this job.
I think I'm quite lucky because
Lucky?
my family always support me.
Oh, okay.
Everyone surroundings always support me,
Okay.
especially in this in my current company.
Okay.
I always work until late, so it is very important to have like some support from your family. So that's I think quite um, quite a good thing for me because all my family always support me.
Wow.
But probably if for there is some people outside there don't have a family who support them. Just stick with your goals. Just stick with your dream, because if you stick with your dreams, you even though nobody, having people to support you is a bonus. But the one thing that you have to ensure is you have an end goal and you stick with it.
Okay. Does my family support me for the one achieved dream? I don't think so. I don't think so. Mama, maaf ya. Okay.
Okay, so this is my part to ask a question to you guys.
Okay. Okay, Vito.
So probably the first question is about your life goal.
For you're first on me first.
Sweet.
Okay, so wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, me. I don't want to do this.
Takes it all.
Okay, 3 goals for me for life, and 1, I want to be a psychology, and then 2, I want to be a doctor, and 3, I want to like you, like work at the company. It seems like for 3 things that my parents choose it. So like for a number, the last number, my dad choose that, and for first one, my mom choose that to be a psychology. And for you?
For me, I only have one goal, and this is already rock hard. So unless someone decided to was able to get me to change it, yeah. So in my life, my life goal is to become the Minister of Public Works and Housing, so I can like help people on like building stuff, like building beautiful, strong structures. I can also get a sufficient income to like help people who's in need, something like that.
Okay, and then the next question is what is your strategy to achieve your goal?
Okay, sweet. One, two,
take it down.
3.
No.
Your turn. Hi.
Okay, so my strategy is to actually get into a very good high school. My projections are going to either SMA 8 Jakarta or SMA 78 Jakarta, which can get me into a good university, which I was dreaming big for ITB. And then I would work in a job and hopefully get into the minister's cabinet, and we'll see where life takes me to.
Okay.
What about you?
For me, I will choose same like you. I will choose the high school, and I want to be like at SMA 70 Jakarta, 78 and SMA 8. And for the second is I need to pray with a God, and I say like, Ya Allah, I want to be like a doctor, I want to be like this. And then for third, like my family will support me or not, so I will like, Mom, please support me like this, Mom, please support me like this, so I will like happy to do it.
That's cute.
That's very cute.
Sounds like a good plan.
Oh yes. Okay, this is our closing time. Sorry guys, and see you next time in another episode.
Oh yeah, if you want to to give us a topic so we can discuss it in the next podcast, please contact this number below.
Tarang, tarang. Oh, tarang. And see you next time in another video. I say check, you say one. Check one. Bye-bye.
Menarilah dan terus tertawa walau